Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to clear Snapchat conversations. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Snapchat account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to clear Snapchat conversations. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Snapchat app. Here we go. Firstly, you have to go to the chat session which is given at the bottom left corner. Tap on that. Now here choose any of the friend that you want to clear your conversation with. Here I will be choosing this friend. You have to go to his or her profile. After going to the profile, at the top right corner you can see 3 dots. Tap on that. Now choose the option chat settings. Tap on that. Now tap on clear from chat feed. Here I go. Now tap on clear. In this way, you can easily clear conversation with your friend in Snapchat. I hope now you guys are clear about how to clear Snapchat conversation. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. You can comment down below what you guys wanna see next. Thank you.